Hi everyone, thank you for joining on Wagemaster Tutorials. Today we're going through how to set up salary sacrifice for superannuation payments in your Wagemaster. Okay, let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster. Now, especially for salary sacrifice for superannuation requests, most likely will come from the full-time or even from the part-time employee, not many as from this casual employees. So let's have a quick look. So I do have a full-time employee, Graham. So if you open the employee profile and click on payments, click on superannuation. Now this is the default super fund as from the employer contribution. Now if I want to add another one, go and click on add fund name. Either it can be a same fund or it can be a different fund. So I will leave it as the Australian primaries. Then the membership number, just need to enter your membership number. Then the contribution type, so it can be employee contribution or employer additional contribution depending on the scenario, but this time we're going to focus on the salary sacrifice with the salary sacrifice and the amount. So if you put like for example, I will do $100 salary sacrifice. What it's mean, every time when this employee getting paid, $100 will go to this fund. So most likely employee will request this to get some tax benefit on it, because this $100 it's not have to pay on tax of this one, and you can include on the ATO payment summary as RESA. Okay, all right, let's have a look now how this gonna show on the pay slip. So I will select a random parent in the future, click on wages, it's the gram predefined timesheet. If I go into next. Okay, so because of the salary sacrifice is before prior tax, it says salary, then it will deduct gross $100 from the gross wages, then it will get the taxable gross, then it will calculate tax on taxable gross. So you can see this is where the employee get benefit on their tax. We have seen some clients set it up as a salary sacrifice for superannuation after tax. That's not correct. So always salary sacrifice for superannuations should come before your tax. Alright, so if everything's good, you can save the payslip, and that's how you set it up, the salary sacrifice for superannuation payments. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book a one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Have a great day.